Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my notebook LM, and in this video, you will be learning about why your source is not linked with your mind map and other resources, and why you're not able to use it with your studio account. So there could be multiple reasons involved, and I've attached the link to the notebook LM in the description. Make sure you guys check it out as well. So there could be multiple reasons involved. One of the reasons is that the link or the source that you are providing, for example, if you are providing a link to a miscellaneous site which requires permission, for example, the link the notion that I provided does require a permission from the author or from the creator in order to access the document. And if I'm using a Google account, if I have created a NotebookLM account with a different account that doesn't have the permission or access to that specific document, the link or the Notion document or source would be accessible to the notebook LM. And that could be the root cause that you are facing all this issue. So if you want to overcome it, simply remove the link or give the permission to the that specific account. For example, if I have this account, I have to give the permission to this account from the Notion itself. And once I click on, then I click on the this mind map, it will show everything in it. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.